Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, similar situation to Ethereum. You know that it's basically looking like that we are still range bound here, but we are pushing here towards the ceiling. The first indication that we are going higher, which would be the expectation, at least short term, my overall expectation is still that Bitcoin is going to make a new low in the 14K region. But hey, before that, we probably have some upside potential short term. The first indication that we are going higher was the break of the high of that B wave that was at 16,850. We did break it yesterday, didn't really hold it, but now we are back above it. So things are starting to look interesting. In addition to that, we had here on the nanoscale, that was a 5-wave move to the upside. That is good. And also this is a pretty clear 5-wave move to the upside, in my opinion. So there is a good chance that we indeed are pushing higher from here. I just need to issue a warning. We are here still in a market where we're basically holiday season. Yeah, so we have less market participants. The stock market is still closed, so it will be rather quiet, and in an environment like this, manipulation is easier and you will find it more often. An idea how this could unfold, I mean, this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern here. Different interpretations possible depending on how I count the micro or nano waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is possible as well. And now what could happen is that this was an A wave down, because this is also a 5-wave move. Now we're moving up in a B wave and will come down once more in C. So expect that we might not rally straight away. And my view that this is going to work to the upside, and my view that we are going higher here from this micro pattern is going to remain valid as long as we're holding above 16,770. Below that 78.6% fib level, it will get less likely that this move to the upside is still going to work out of this particular micro pattern. Now, even if we break down lower again, we still have a chance to move up as long as we're holding the 16,640 level, and then here the last low at 16,580. It's only really if we break below 16,580, well, then this move to the upside in general is probably not going to work out. But in the very short term here, we're currently holding support levels. It's at the moment all looking good. As I said, the first indication that we are pushing higher would be a break above 16,850. We did that. That is not final confirmation, of course. There's never something like final confirmation in these markets. They are just too uncertain. The next resistance is here. You can see that actually 16,000, you could say 16,920. It's a bit of a range. I'm going to put that onto the chart now in red. So we've got a bit of a range here between all of these swing highs. That is the ceiling we need to push above now. Yeah, especially with the latest move up yesterday. This has confirmed this resistance, and this is something that we really need to push above to get out of this range, and then we can look at a range or price range or target range of around 17.3K here in possibly a wave 3 to the upside, in which we might be at the moment. Yeah, so those are the key levels. We really need to take it level by level at the moment. And then up there in the 17.3K range, this is the next pivot point where we are going to see a decision in which overall higher level scenario we are. Are we in the blue count, which would eventually take us down further? The roadmap for the blue count is this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the confirmation for the blue count will be if we break below 15,880. Would take us down to new lows straight away. Or are we in something that is at least short term a little bit more bullish, where we also came down here, but it was then just a different wave structure, and then we moved up in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, would complete this red wave C of 4, and we will make a new low afterwards. So the question is only, how long are we going to delay this new low, because I'm looking still for one more low for Bitcoin in the 14 to 14.5K region. Well, now in the very short term, I think this is what's interesting at the moment, because there isn't too much happening on the higher time frame anyway. Scenarios are still unchanged. We push a little bit higher here today, small green engulfing candle, but yeah, it's now this resistance area that needs to be taken out after we hit the target yesterday here on the lower end, the support area. Now we can look at breaking resistance, which is valid as long as we're holding all these support levels that I told you in this video. Okay, so I hope you liked the update about Bitcoin. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.